the modded EPL lift at Taringa Medical Centre, I think it's called. EPL mod by KONE in about 2000 with Sigma. Nice Sigma buttons. I think that's the original button panel, maybe. Actually, no, probably not. There were two here. There's two here. Very creepy car park. Here it is. Very old EPL. Holy crap, that's tall. Okay. Sigma indicator. They say it's KONE to mod it. Someone getting in. Hello, going up? Yep.
Holy shit. I guess it's ground.
Yeah. Okay, let's have a ride. Focus. Very interesting, this lift. That's Sigma motor, sounds like it. Actually, no, it sounds too weird to be a eco disc. Yeah, definitely not an eco disc. Year of manufacture 1987. Year of modification 2002. So this is a 2002 mod. Okay, let's go back to ground and then we're going to do the other one. Guessing your Logic's original on this? I'm guessing. Okay, let's go to the other one now. Here's the second one. Same exact thing. Doesn't go as high or doesn't go as low, I mean. Wow, that's pretty good leveling. You can tell how good quality EPL is because the doors are still original. One more ride to ground. Nice Sigma buttons. Taringa Central, that's what it's called. Wow, that's a big... Okay, that's it.